Hey everyone, I am just here with a quick fun little tutorial for a slanted pocket, and this one and all the ephemera are in the May subscription kit, but obviously you can do this with any paper that you have, and I'm going to just give some fun different ideas, a few different ways to maybe switch it up, make it a little different. So I've just cut out the pieces in the kit. Now, the size on this doesn't matter, but this is the base piece. You can make this any size you want. And the fun thing about this kit is if you wanted, you could do pockets on the back as well and make it like a flip spot. So that's something to think about. Another thing to think about is you can use a punch on this edge and just add some variety that way. If you want, you could have this printed on both sides and come over on this side, so you have a slant going this way and a slant going this way. So this is just one of those way versatile projects that you can do just about anything with, and you can always add your own kind of signature on how it's done. So really easy, really quick. I'm going to show you how I put this one together, and then hopefully just give you some different ideas. So for mine, I've cut and inked, and now I'm just going to go ahead and do a very light bead around these three sides. You could leave this side open as well and make it more of a tuck rather than a pocket. So that's another angle you could take. I've printed all mine on a lightweight cardstock. I tried to save bulk by painting on, or by printing on just regular paper, and I do that when I can, but I always just love, for me personally, that thickness of having just a solid pocket or tag. It just makes me happy. So for this one, I'm just printing these the same direction, and this is a smaller pocket for a smaller journal. So that's it. That's as easy as it is. Now I could just glue that right into a journal. I could hole punch that into a journal. I could put two of them together and use it as a flap and sew it into a journal like you would a regular signature. So you could make it an up flap, like just so many options with these pockets. Okay, so let's see. Also part of this kit, there are two tall little tags. This is what they look like, just cut out because I made it so you could fold it in half and have some pretty journaling on the back. And this one I already made up, so you didn't have to watch me make two. But it's just a really fun print, and that is, for me, gonna go back here in this back taller pocket. When I sew this into my journal, I could also sew on or glue on just these three sides, and then have a little pocket right here too. Or same thing as up here. I could make that a third pocket. So really, just don't ever feel like you have to follow the rules, because there are no rules. All right, so I'm gluing that with my glue stick just because I want a lightweight but solid coverage on that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and punch out, and that fun little circle is gonna show me right where to punch. And you don't have to punch it out because you have that fun little circle there that will give it the effect of having a little eyelet there. But if you want to add a real eyelet and really get some lace or something in there, then that is an option. All right, there we go. And I thought with this pretty kit, I have some kind of a light blue aqua sari silk, so I'm going to go ahead and use that on the other one. Oh, I think I did them both the same. Yep, I put it in the front first on both of them, but obviously you can do it either way. All right, there we go. You can kind of leave those stringy and fun, or you can trim them way back. I trimmed the other one way back, so I'm going to go ahead and kind of match this one, but I love kind of that messy thread look. So there's another tag. On this one I did a little extra stamping just for fun. And you can do that if you want. I wouldn't add a lot on it in my case because it's going into a pocket, but you could do a fun little stamp, a little bit of stamping just to add some interest to that background paper, whatever you want. All right, we'll put that in. On an earlier video, we made these cute little envelopes with some fun little journaling cards inside. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use one of those envelopes in this front pocket, just like that. And let's see, to decorate this front, I think I'm just going to put one of these labels down because it's just fun to add some layers on there. So that's going to come first. And then I want this cute little butterfly. And I love how it plays off of this butterfly. So I don't want them both going the same way. For me, it just seems fun to have them playing, and that means they're kind of helter-skelter, one going one way, one flying the other, just happy and free. So I'm going to put that there, and I kind of like to fold it and just give it a good glue down in the middle and let those wings just kind of pop up a little bit for some three-dimensional fun. And that's beautiful. I think I'll add just another little bit of stamping here, something just to add a little interest to it. Why not? Just gives it a little more texture. But that is it. That is your slanted pocket with a few different ideas of how to stuff that, how to decorate it, and so easy, and that's gonna look just beautiful in a journal. So I'm excited to add that in. So anyway, there you go, slanted pockets, a couple of different ideas, and I hope that will get some creative juices flowing for you. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I can post the link for this down below if you're interested in that subscription kit. Then I'll just have that down below. So we will talk to you later. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.